Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn on periodically emailed notifications for top posts on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The new update makes it easier than ever to stay connected to trending conversations and the posts you care about most. First things first, open the X app on your desktop. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the familiar icons for Home, Explore, and Messages. Find and click on Notifications. After clicking Notifications, look toward the upper right corner and select Settings. This will take you straight into your notification management area. Here's where the real customization begins. Next, click on Preferences. This section gives you detailed control over how and when you're notified, whether that's for likes, replies, or recommended posts. Since we're focusing on top content, move down the list until you find Push Notifications. Go ahead and click that option. You'll now see several notification categories, one of which is Top Posts and Stories. This feature highlights the most engaging, trending posts from accounts and topics you follow. To make sure you receive updates on a regular basis, look under this section for the option labeled Periodically. Click on it to activate periodic notifications. Once toggled on, X will begin sending you email summaries featuring standout posts and stories based on your interests and interactions. It's a smart way to stay in the loop without having to scroll endlessly every day. Before you finish, give everything a quick review to be sure your other notification preferences are set just the way you like them. Whether you want real-time updates or just occasional highlights, these settings let you control your experience on your terms. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled periodic email notifications for top posts on X. Stay tuned to catch every major update and trending story as they happen without missing a beat. Thanks for watching.